Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to bring you on a very special journey to a new attraction in Sentosa, Singapore. Now this new attraction is called Scentopia. Please stay to the end of this video because we are going to give away 2 complimentary tickets worth $250 for you to bring your loved one to visit Scentopia and experience what they have in store for you. Scentopia is quite deep into Sentosa, so one of the best ways to get there is to hop on any of the monorails. Alright, so apparently there are only 2 stations. I hope you can hear me because there are many people and they are having a very hearty conversation here. But there are 2 stations that we need to get to. One is Siloso Station, the second one is Beach Station. We're going to alight at Beach Station. Hi, is this where Scentopia is?
Sorry again?
Scentopia.
Scentopia. To go down, you have to go towards the Siloso Beach.
We have alighted at Beach Station. From Beach Station, you have to walk towards Siloso Beach. What we understand is that there is a beach shuttle that will bring you all the way to Siloso Beach, and Scentopia is somewhere around there.
A new place, a new home for a while.
Now we're on our way to Siloso Beach. We have decided to walk so that we can catch more activities happening along the way. Now landmarks, the first thing you're going to see is the Marymount fast food restaurant. Then you're going to see the luge. Many people just queuing up for the luge. And right after that, I think like almost 1 minute in, you'll reach Siloso Beach. So you don't actually have to wait for the shuttle.
Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Now if you're wondering what a beach shuttle looks like, I thought it was a bus, but this is the beach shuttle. There's also a bicycle rental place, and I think it's a very effective way to travel from one point to the next point. Alright, so after walking for some distance, we have finally found Scentopia. It's right in front. So the beach is right behind us, and this is Scentopia. It's like a very nice hut.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, cause I found my way.
Well, immediately after opening the door, feel the gust of aroma is just getting into your nose. We've just been briefed a general run through as to the different categories and portions of Scentopia. So let me just show you the first part, which is the augmented reality. A dinosaur's foot was actually found on Sentosa. There's a QR code here, so you scan it with your phone. So when I point it towards the dinosaur, you can see that there's a dinosaur head that pops out. Can you try petting the dinosaur and see if anything happens? No? Alright. Oh, you can actually see. Oh my gosh! Is that a bug? Did you just find a bug? Wait, I think you actually entered the dinosaur's mouth. What is that? Oh, the eyeball.
Stop moving.
See that? The eyeball is actually inside the mouth.
I'm very sure it's a bug.
Alright, and this is the map of Singapore. There's a breed of crabs that love to lay their eggs here. So let's see what we can see from the QR scanner. Let's see what's the Rafflesia like. The Rafflesia is actually named after Sir Stamford Raffles. It looks so red there. It looks orangey here. You can actually get so close to the flower. What is a mother's favourite smell and what's a man's favourite smell? Now, I'm not a mother, I can't tell what a mother's favourite smell is. Let's check what is a man's favourite smell. Are they trying to say that a mother's favourite smell is the smell of a baby and a man's favourite smell is the smell of popcorn? So basically guys like to watch movies. Or are they trying to say that mothers and men love smell of babies in popcorn? I'm going to lay this camera, or I'm going to align it so that hopefully this whole picture can be in the camera screen. Then all of you can actually scan the QR code and see whether you can actually see the dinosaur pop out. And if you're interested to see more of this augmented reality, do come and visit Scentopia. This portion here is free for all to visit and enjoy. The first thing you need to do is to scan this QR code. Just pause the video and scan it. After that, face it towards this dinosaur and see what happens. The next portion is this shelf with many different types of perfume. This perfume represents different parts of Singapore or different cultures in Singapore. So as a Singaporean, I'm going to try some of these and let you know whether it really has that kind of impact or smell of different cultures and parts of Singapore. What is that?
Atas.
What is atas? For those of you who are non-Singaporean, atas in Singapore means very high standard. It smells like the Indian perfume, right? It smells like Indian perfume. So Indian people in Singapore are atas. We've got red dot. So Singapore is known as a red dot, tiny red dot in the world because we are so small, practically an island. We're 50 kilometers from left to right of Singapore.
Try this.
Smell this. Tell me what does it smell like. I take care of a lot of dogs, right? And I always buy different type of dog shampoo. Dog shampoos smell like this. Yeah, there's a very strong smell of dog shampoo in here. Now I know what dog shampoo smells like. It smells like red dot. So this is the monsoon. I'm expecting to smell something dewy, like the morning fresh grass smell. Is that what it smells like? There is the tinge of morning rain smell. So this is so far the most accurate. Okay, Tai Tai. For those of you who are non-Singaporean, Tai Tai means like the rich elderlies that you see. They don't have to work most of the time and they are always out playing mahjong with their friends. There's a very light scent and it's soothing, very calming. Wow. The third one is the scent library. You can see there are many different colors behind me. The idea of the scent library is to take a look at what types of scents are found in Scentopia, and these are also plants and flowers that are found in Sentosa Island. These are actually from herbs and plants that are found in Sentosa. So we've got curry leaves. Over here we've got the nutmeg. After that, you can take a look at the side panels here. This tells you the name of the plant, the section in which you can find it. It's the men's number 3 red. So after you've checked out the scent library, you move over to a center shelf and just look for number 3 men's red. Okay, so over here you can see number 3 men and you look for the red one. So this would be the scent of what we're reading down there. So this is the scent of the Opulent Oriental from the Sir Raffles collection, black pepper. So this is the scent of this. Okay, so it has a strong scent of pepper. Let's see whether Zinkan can tell that this is pepper. Can you smell this and tell me what you think this is?
A bit of a pepper smell.
What?
Pepperish smell.
Peppery smell?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, it is.
Is it?
It is. I mean, it's a kind of spice, not pepper, but spice, but it has that pepperish spice smell. I like mint. So let's go to men's number 9, blue. Oh my gosh. Yes, definitely something I like. Now that we've covered the 3 panels, the next thing that you can really enjoy in Scentopia is to make your own perfume, and that's the most exciting part to us. So let's go and try to make our own perfume now. Yeah.
And that's the key event right here.
Let's go, let's go. This is not even bar soap. This is bath bomb. Imagine you are using this in the shower and then suddenly the whole shower is going to be like filled with foam.
You to help me like complete this personality test.
Okay.
So this test right is going to determine like the outcome of your perfume lah.
Okay.
Right, thank you so
thank
much.
you.
For fresh right, you are a functional extrovert. So you might be thinking what's the difference between functional extrovert and extrovert, right? Functional extrovert is those right who really enjoy and talking to and engaging with other people lah. Unlike the extrovert, being an extrovert right doesn't necessarily mean that you enjoy talking to people. It's just that you adore those outdoor activities and you like freedoms. Yeah. The purple one is a florals category. So if you score high on floral right, you are a soft, kind and romantic kind of person lah. For woody right, they actually take very good care of the people around them and usually they are very responsible kind of person. The red one is an oriental scent. So let's say if you score high on oriental right, you actually have a very strong character lah.
So this is stubborn.
Yes, in a way lah, it's called but in a good way lah. So over here at the right side, these are the men's category where the scents are stronger and more intense.
This is where you begin your journey to make your perfume. This portion here is where you have the scent for men, which means that the scent is a little stronger. On our left, we have a couple of shelves and those are lighter scents. Those are for women. So what we're going to do is to pick out the scents that we like, and we can either follow our test results or we can just go by our sense of smell. For the citrus scent I've chosen, it's just a matter of type.
For my citrus scent, I chose to peach or not to peach.
For my fresh scent, I chose clean and freedom of peach.
For my fresh scent, I chose the freebies on my yacht and fresh on my peach.
Now, I don't quite like the floral scent, but I chose for the love of cedar.
So for the floral scent, I chose good things come with good to it.
For the woody scent, I chose Scent of the Rose as well as Happy Ending.
So for the woody scent, I chose as clover as they come and the oak culture.
Now, I never managed to choose anything from the Oriental scent section, just nothing has captured my interest.
For the oriental scent, I chose perfect timing. Alright, so
Wait, let me set first. I'm setting it just alright. So, what are you doing? Why do you have a cup?
yeah, that's a good question.
Are you going to drink the scent?
I got my results ready, so I got my scent, and I don't really like it because it's way too strong and smelling it just gives me headache.
Once you've gotten the scent, we are going to actually test out these scents and see which are the confirmed scents that we like combined together.
Take 1 cup
Alright.
and follow by scent. Citrus, fresh, floral, woody and oriental.
Okay.
Same like this one. Okay, you have man, woman?
Yeah,
Okay, this is man, this one is woman. You have number 4, right?
yeah.
This is number 4. So the machine is automatic.
Okay,
Just like that.
alright.
Okay? So this is number 4. So next, following that, number 4 and then here.
Okay,
this
so you
is
also
fresh.
mix everything together?
Yes, together.
Okay. As in everything on both pages or only one side?
All together.
Okay,
Then after that you go to the ladies, then go to the men. Sorry.
The
go
men
to
and
the
the
men,
ladies.
then to the ladies.
okay,
Then sand you mix
Ah.
and then blend already. Then we come on. Then later make you a bottle,
okay,
100 ml.
okay. Right, thank you. So now with my cup, let's try to fill it up with all the different scents. For some reason, I feel that the woody scent is very strong, so it masks out all the previous scents, and for that reason, I don't quite like it. It's like I don't smell anything else after that. Alright, we're done. Yeah. We have been to a couple of perfume making sessions, and he always gets that woody smell.
Oh,
Yeah, so I think he likes the jungle.
woody.
Yeah.
Okay. Woody person.
Yeah.
Responsibility.
Really?
Yeah.
Responsibility? I think we need to rewrite the rules for Woody. Alright, so there you have it. That's the experience that you can enjoy when you visit Scentopia. It's been a really nice experience, established in 2022. On top of that, this is the package that we got from Scentopia. Inside this package is your survey form as well as a 100 ml bottle of perfume. Now you can actually come for a 50 ml bottle or 100 ml bottle. I believe it's the same, it's just the size of the bottle and of course the price of the experience. The 100 ml experience, top end experience, the premium experience is $125 per adult. So if you're coming as a couple, as a pair, it would cost $250. Now we are giving away 2 complimentary tickets to all our viewers. So this is how you can get your tickets so that you can bring your loved one to enjoy this really wonderful experience. All you need to do to win these tickets is to subscribe to us on this YouTube channel, follow us on our Instagram, follow Scentopia on their Instagram, and DM us Scentopia, and we will select a winner who will walk away with 2 complimentary tickets worth $250, where you can bring your loved one to enjoy the full experience of Scentopia and have lots of fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll catch you in the next video. Signing off from the wonderful place and wonderful island of Sentosa and Scentopia. Bye! Okay, I'm not sure why, but after I leave Scentopia, my mask actually smells very nice. Right? There's this perfume smell. What does your mask smell like?
I don't know, it smells
Like some exquisite hotel smell in your mask.